Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can edit video in Flixier. So let's get straight into it. Now you need to get to this official website. I will log in. Now what we can do is how we can start editing. So we need to import media. So how to import media? Right here at the top, import or record, click on that. And now you can import from your devices. You can also start with AI. So let's go and try to do that. So I will click here, upload, and I will go here and maybe this one. Okay, open up. Import all like that. Now I have imported my video right now. Now I can arrange on timeline right here, so it automatically goes here to this media and then to the timeline. What we can do now, if you have more videos, you can just drag them into your timeline. You can, as you can see here, cut the timeline. So if I go like that and cut, right, something like that, and cut, and now as you can see, like that, and I can delete this part, and then I can also delete the empty part. We can trim our footage. We can also remove section right here. If you go on the left side to the elements, we can add some elements to our video. So now it will be right over here if you can see it. I have added the subscribe button, but I can try another one like that. So you can add elements. After, you can also edit the voice that you add, or music, like so. Um, Now when you are finished with your video, so as you can see here, I am adding the elements. Now when you are finished, you go here to the top right corner and hit export. And yes, you can publish directly to YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, or just directly to your computer as you wish. So this is really fast explanation how you can edit the video here in Flixier. It's pretty simple when you figured out where is something. So the most important thing is this left side here with this toolbar. Like, imagine if you are editing in Canva, is pretty much the same way of editing. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.